So this is a commission piece for my dog Jordan. It's actually like his third commission. Like, I freaking read you, Jordan. Like, do you buy my art? I love you. He is a producer and he's dropping a tape, I believe, and he wants this like as his cover art. Like, he has this whole avatar that he made. It's so cute. It's like him as a astronaut. So he asked me to paint like an abstract universe, outer space, galaxy type thing. All he really gave me for inspo was like the Uzi Vert cover art, and I was like, okay. I've never really done an outer space painting before, a galaxy painting, but I am very interested in doing it. I watched a couple techniques on how to do it, but I think I'm just gonna wing it. I have decided that I'm gonna use open cup method. I kind of want it to go diagonal, but we'll just see how the cups flow on, right? Just gonna put a little paint around the cup for extra movement. Okay, it went on the cup, which wasn't really the motive, but it's alright. I'm gonna start purple. Oh, I put dishwashing soap into the paint colors to add cells. I feel like I honestly don't really like working with cells. I don't like cells. Like, I don't know, they kind of make me cringe. But I went ahead and I did add cells into this because I feel like cells in a galaxy painting make sense, in my opinion. Okay, the cups are not moving at all, which is kind of surprising me. Yes. Wow, as soon as they heard me talking my shit about them. Oof. Wow. The dishwashing soap made a big difference. Wow, my paintings never have this much cells in them. It's kind of crazy. Okay, this is looking pretty cute. Wow, the neon pink. Can you see it? It is so pretty. Definitely a nice touch. Wow, this is like, I try not to add too much glue into it. I feel like normally my paints, they always, by time I'm moving them, it gets so like, how do I say it? It gets so thick by the time I'm ready to move it that it just doesn't move that much at all. This has a lot of movement in it. I don't know if I should do like the whole painting as this, or like, do I leave the black corners and then, oh, I have white painting, so I'm just gonna like flick it on. I think it needs just a little bit more darkness in it, so I am going to do definitely a lot more purple. I really like this. I can't believe I've been working with so much pink and purple lately. Two colors that like girl, I don't know how I feel about those colors. Misogyny in me kicking in whenever I see pink and purple. I don't really mess with them. I won't lie to you. I will not lie to you. I'm more of a blue girl, obviously. But after painting, I don't know, they're kind of growing on me. If you know me, I hate hate the color purple. Like, I think it's so freaking ugly. But when purple is mixed with blue, I like that. Like, that looks nice. But this whole purple and pink thing, I did a purple and pink mirror. And honestly, I think I'm kind of messing with it now. It is looking pretty cute. I will not lie to y'all. Girly girls may have a point. Okay, I'm not used to having the paint this fluid at all. It's kind of overwhelming. It's moving so much, but that is okay. Is this giving galaxy vibes? Okay, so over here, we need some color. I feel like maybe put some blue here. Yo, that Pink Panther song is stuck in my head, and I don't even know the lyrics like that. Like, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. That is freaking gorgeous. Is this looking galaxy? Something about it. Okay, see this blue? I think there's too much of it there. So I'm gonna try and even it out by either, I don't know if I should put more of the blue end. Wait a second, where the hell did white come from? I think that may be the light pink. Interesting. Yeah, look, it's so runny. It is still moving. I'm not used to this at all. What do you think? Should I put more purple in here or more blue over here? Maybe I'll put more blue and white here, drag that along here, and put a little bit of the purple in there, right? Alright, I think I like that. I like how, like, it's moving along that way. What do we think about this? A part of me really likes it, and a part of me feels like something needs to change. But there is a lot of paint on it, so I can't really, I don't want to add any more paint. Oh, I kind of like it. When I'm looking at it, let me try it and add some stars to it. Oh, what does this look like?
Like magic.
It looks like outer space.
I was gonna say that first, but nah.
It doesn't?
No. Fuck.
What does it look like? You're gonna say that first, though.
Well, there's just something saying
Saying what?
not too much. You could go with like a night glacier sky in the Arctic. Maybe like Earth, but inverted colors.
That's what you see? Or think?
Only like a river, you know, right here. And then two lands. Canada, Iceland. Or Greenland.
Interesting. I think it's done. How pretty is it? So this is it. All done. Like, look at all the stars I got to put in the light. I love how it looks on the edge here. I like it. I was a bit nervous at first, but I do like it. Okay, so this is the final painting. It looks so cute. I love it. There's no sun out, so you can't really see how pretty it looks, but it looks so nice. I'm literally obsessed. Like, look at the details. I love this pink part here. I don't even know which way I like it. Like, I don't know if I would hang it this way or if I would hang it this way. I don't know. I just really like how it like flows off there. So cool.